teckwrapcraft video. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House, and today we are going to be making this. I want to add just a small gallery wall in my dining room, so we are going to be making that. Stay tuned. We out. Let's make a quick trip to the dollar store. That it's not $1 anymore, it's $1.25, but we are going to grab this wallpaper and this frame. We're back home. So let's start creating. If you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. To make our design today, we're going to be using Cricut Design Space. Let's add a text. I use capital letters. And then I want to image to look for an arrow. You can select the arrow you want. There are some that are free. There are some that have a small fee. I selected this one, and then I changed it to the same color of the word downtown. Once I had everything in the same color, I added a rectangle and I sent it to the back. Then I selected combine and subtract in order for my Cricut Maker to cut through the rectangle. Now let's go to make it. Once we are in this part, we are going to select the mirror function. Why? In this case, I am going to add the vinyl inside my frame. So that's why I am going to cut it with the mirror function. But I like to cut all my tech wrap vinyl in the holographic setting, and I like to add more pressure to that blade. We are going to need a black vinyl from Tech Wrap, of course, and I'm going to use my standard grip mat to cut this vinyl. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. You can share it and you can save it for future references. I am going to use the wallpaper as a background, so I am going to add it to the cardboard that came with the frame. This is how the background looks, and I am going to put it now back in the frame and close the frame. We are almost done with our craft, but I want to let you know that we have a 5% for each one of you. If you want to buy either the vinyl, craft tools, the mat, you can find it at teckwrapcraft.com, and my code is HOUSE, H-A-U-S, HOUSE. this is the result of my mini gallery wall. Thank you so much for watching. This was Arlene from This Is Our House. Have a great day.